Welcome back everyone. I typically do these videos on my second channel, but I figured I might as well do them on my main channel every once in a while. And Instagram, as most of you know, goes through a ton of different issues. There can be a lot of different problems that go around. So here are just a few ways and some of the easiest ways that I typically look at when I need to determine whether Instagram is actually working or if it's down or whatever the case is. Now, the first thing that I always do, that I always check whenever Instagram is acting up, is I make my way over to my settings and I make sure I'm connected to a Wi-Fi connection or a cellular connection, whatever the case is. You can also swipe down from the top right, and if you see your bars or if you see your Wi-Fi or whatever the case is, and it looks like everything's good, then you can pretty much verify that your network connection is at least connected. Then what you want to do is make your way over to the App Store, start trying to load up some other pages, try loading up some other whatever it is. So you can go into Snapchat, Twitter, load up some other, apps, and see if everything is working. If everything's working and everything looks good, then you're probably good and there's probably nothing super crazy that's going on, at least with the network connection. But if you notice that your network connection isn't working, no apps are loading, nothing is going on, then you're probably not connected to a good network, and that's pretty much all you have to do. Now, the next thing I'd recommend doing if your Instagram still isn't working is making your way over to your App Store, and you want to go ahead and type in Instagram, and you want to see if there's an update available for your Instagram app. So you want to type in Instagram, go ahead and click on it right here. And if this says update, whether you're on Android or iOS, you want to go and click on update, and you want to update your specific version of Instagram. If you're on a super outdated version of Instagram, then that is probably the problem, and you want to go ahead and update it. Now, let's say you are up to date and nothing else is going on. Well, then you may want to see if Instagram is actually down or if it's not working. Now, the way that I determine, and this is pretty much one of the best ways that I always determine if Instagram is down or if it's up, is I make my way over to Twitter, or I make my way over to the comment section of videos like these. So I will go down in the comment section of this type of video. If it gets views, whatever, you want to sort the latest comments. So you want to go in the comment section, click on the newest comments, and you want to see how many people are commenting at the same time. If a ton of people are saying like, oh, we're all here at the same time or whatever the case is, then Instagram may actually be down. And there's really nothing you can do at that point. You just have to wait until Instagram fixes it. Now, you can also make your way over to Twitter and see if Instagram is down, is trending on Twitter. So when you're on Twitter, you want to go on the trending page and see if a bunch of people are, talking or it's trending on Twitter. Most of the time when Instagram is down, Twitter is blowing up like crazy because everyone goes there. So it ends up trending there. And those are the main ways and the easiest ways that I determine whether Instagram is down or if it's a fixable thing on my end. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.